Tensions are flaring between Brazil and US President Donald Trump. In a surprise move on Wednesday, Donald Trump announced a blanket 50% tariff on all imports from Brazil, according to Reuters. Trump justified the sweeping penalty by citing Brazil's treatment of its former president and Trump's political ally, Jair Bolsonaro. Far-right leader Jair Bolsonaro is facing prosecution over his alleged role in a plot to overturn the 2022 elections. In a direct letter to Brazilian President Lula da Silva, Trump called the ongoing legal actions against Bolsonaro, who refused to concede the 2022 election, an international disgrace. But this isn't just political posturing. Trump is invoking the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, or IEEPA, to impose tariffs. A White House official confirmed this to CNBC, stating that Trump is using the law to respond to what he claims are national emergency, including, quote-unquote, America's exploding trade deficit. The IEEPA allows the president to act against any unusual and extraordinary threat that originates, even in part, from outside the United States. Trump had used the same law in April when he imposed 10% blanket tariffs on most imports and higher duties on dozens of nations. That move was paired with formal declaration of national emergency. But here's the twist. The US actually runs a trade surplus with Brazil, not a deficit, reported by Al Jazeera. And notably, the 50% tariff on Brazil is significantly higher than the 25 to 40% range applied to most other countries. President Lula didn't stay silent. In a statement posted on X, he called Trump's trade claims inaccurate and warned that any increase in tariffs will be addressed under Brazil's economic reciprocity law. Meanwhile, Trump upped the ante at a campaign rally, warning of more economic retaliation if BRICS countries continue pushing for de-dollarization, the plan to reduce reliance on US dollar in global trade. Under Lula, Brazil has emerged as one of the BRICS' most vocal advocates for a multipolar world and local currency trade, directly challenging US. Trump, in response, has labeled these efforts as anti-American economic experiments. At the BRICS summit in Rio, the group strongly criticized the US tariffs, calling them weaponization of trade and branding Washington's methods as coercive. Lula, speaking at the summit's close, delivered a stinging message. We don't want an emperor. The world has changed.